So this is part 2 on how to tell I'm trying to get out of here because tomorrow's Father's Day and we got a big show tomorrow. Hopefully I get to see some of y'all there. Anyhow, I'm at the shop working on this. This is what I said I was missing. See these rings? Centric ring, right? You notice they fit on top. That's so. These will increase it to 73.0. I don't know if you can see that. 73.0. Oh, so I need that because on these wheels, see that? It's a lot bigger. So now it'll fit there. Nice and snug. There'll be no shaking or rattling, rolling, all that good stuff. So, I'm gonna get these on. I got my new tires like I said I was gonna do. These are 245, 45, 20. As I was saying in the previous video, 245, 45, 20 is what I was looking for. Something that is tall, also still pretty wide. They give me a good cushion ride because my other car was riding 55, right? I mean, sorry, not my other car. The regular car, like it was in my stock wheels, 55 series tires. So I wanted to ride something close to stock, height-wise, which is 55, right? This is 45. So I should be in good shape. It still should ride comfortable. Yeah, man, that's it. I gotta get them on. These are good brakes too. Cross drill, slided rotors, new brake pads. You can see my suspension under there barely. I think over time I end up getting some new bags. These are a little old, but they should do me for summer. I think when after summer I'll start replacing the bags. I might redo some of the lines because I don't know. I think I could have done a better job. Over time, you begin to see stuff that you look at and you go, I could have did that better. So anyway, back to the wheels. I'm gonna get these on for the meet tomorrow. And then later on, I'm gonna redo the faces of all these now that I got the new tires on. I'm excited, man. I'll give you a little video after I get them on. So, sorry the video sideways, but my main concern was clearance. And if you can see, I have clearance still. Barely, but it's enough space that'll let the wheel turn freely. You know, it's a 10.5. I can't spin it because the lugs aren't on, but as you can see, barely have enough space. Just enough. And I'm gonna redo that later too. Spot that time to do my axles. Whew. But nice and wide treads. Like I said, sorry the video sideways. All right, y'all. Now you're working on the back. Hop on my hub-centric ring. Like that. They're nice and tight, that fits now. So now I gotta get the wheel up there. We good. All right, y'all. They're all hand tight on there. Got my little key here. You know, everything looks good. And it looks like I got clearance on this one too. Barely, but you know, you can see it back there. Look at this. I put my key down. Oh, I dropped my key. Anyway, look, I can't really get my fingers in it. You can see my hand barely. There is no whatsoever space, but see, spinning. So far, so good. Well, I am having a little issue. So if you can see my brakes here, and you look really close here, this little knob is touching just barely enough. So I'm gonna grind that down with a grinder real quick. I don't know if this is gonna work for y'all on the video, but we're gonna try. At least the one side. So you can see what I'm talking about. I think we might have it. Maybe. Let's see. So you can see I grind it down a little bit. I don't even think I need to take that much down, but yeah, it was pretty close. I said toast. Why did I say toast? I must be hungry. Anyway, that's what it is. All right, so, oh boy. I don't know what's touching, but we're about to find out. All right, y'all, it's getting late. I'm just gonna go ahead and get this other side on. I think that side is just my brakes here. Being that my calipers and my brake pads are still kind of new. I think that's the noise I'm hearing. It's not actually touching the back side, which is good. So I need to get this side on so I could take my tail home. I got a long day tomorrow. But they look really good. I think I'm gonna have plenty of clearance to lower it. And it should still ride pretty comfortable. I'll show you the front over here real quick too, before I put it down on the ground. So there's the front. It's got like a nice little poke to it. It's not really out there crazy, but it sits really nice. I will finish this video after I get everything on the ground, get the wheels on. Cause I wanna go home, it's late. But looking good. I wanted to paint my brakes and stuff too. Remember I told you I had my Toyota stuff. But that's just going to have to be another day. Maybe when I paint the wheels, I'll do my emblems at the same time. That's what I'm thinking. But we shall see. I'll catch you in a second when I get this car on the ground. All right, y'all. We got it all torqued. I love how it sits, but I definitely need an alignment. I don't know if you can see that wheel. And that's up all the way. It's cambered pretty bad. So, I like the wheels. Put some paint on them. It'll look better aired out, obviously. Yeah, getting there. All right, y'all, finished product. Tuck's perfect on there. Obviously, it'll be better on there. See the gap? That's because I need an alignment. But I like it. That's just a preview. Maybe tomorrow I'll add a video of it at the car meet. But it looks cool. And I'm tired. Alright, y'all. Mind these really loud compressors. But we out. DadSwagg. I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Or anything, really. That's me. I'm out.
You can wah-wah how you want.